Hi students, so myself Dr. B. Ranganath, I am chemistry professor. So my channel is Dr. Ranganathan. So today we discussed about in alkenes chapter, in alkynes, basically important for from alkynes to alkenes, how to convert alkynes to alkenes by using of Lindlar's catalyst, by using of bridge reduction. It is very important in for competitive purpose, whether it has need or means. So many times are asking. So in the branch of Lindlar's catalyst, which type of products are formed? So in the branch of bridge reduction catalyst, Lindlar's catalyst or bridge reduction, which type of products are formed? So first of all, how to convert alkynes to alkenes in the branch of Lindlar's catalyst. So I am taking one general example, RC triple bond R dash. This is simple alkyne. This alkyne reacts with palladium with barium sulfate or barium carbonate. Barium carbonate, anyone. In the branch of quinoline. Quinoline is a base. Okay. So keep in mind, students. Quinoline, what is the useful for quinine or quinoline is a base. Conversion of alkene to alkenes. It stops from alkenes. For example, if not using quinoline, the reaction is continuously. It cannot stop from alkene. So therefore, the reaction stops at alkene by using of quinoline as a base. So that is the main important. So from alkyne to alkene. Which type of alkene is mainly formation of in Lindlar's catalyst? So this combination is known as Lindlar's catalyst. What is Lindlar's catalyst? What is Lindlar's catalyst? Palladium with barium sulfate or barium carbonate in the branch of quinoline. Simple alkanes can be converted into cis alkenes. So this is known as Lindlar's catalyst from conversion of alkynes to alkenes. So in the presence of sodium, lithium or sodium and lithium with liquid ammonia. So alkyne is simple alkane, same alkane, but reagents are, this is bridge reduction, bridge reagents. So conversion of simple alkane to transalkane. This is trans product. Okay. So conversion of alkynes to alkenes by using of Lindlar's catalyst, cis alkene formation is possible. In the presence of bridge reagents, formation of transalkene. So how to convert simple alkane to transalkene or cis alkene? So it's simple mechanism. I am explaining mechanism by bridge reduction. This is alkyne. To observe this sodium in liquid ammonia, sodium or lithium, anyone liquid ammonia, these are first two elements are not sodium and lithium. So when the sodium loss of one electron, this electron will donate towards. So automatically shifted one bond to adjacent atom. So formation of R C, here one electron, double bond, and next two electron, lone pair of electron, and next transposition. Again, this will react with liquid ammonia. Liquid ammonia can be written as NHNH2. HNH2. So formation of R double H and next R dash, here one. Again, this will attack of electron donation takes place or not. So formation of RC lone pair of electron, double bond H, H dash. Again this will attack of NH2 H. So formation of trans product is the measure. This is the trans product. So this is the simple mechanism, but which reagent. Okay. So from alkynes to alkenes, keep in mind in the presence of Linder's catalyst, alkanes can be converted into simple alkenes, means cis alkenes. In the presence of Birch reagents, alkanes, simple alkanes can be converted into trans alkane. So this is the mechanism. And next, some examples of this one. So predict the product. pH, triple bond pH. In the presence of sodium or lithium in liquid ammonia, NH3. Okay. And another one is palladium with barium sulfate, same reactant with quinoline. Quinoline. What is the useful for quinoline? To stop for alkene. Okay, the reaction is stopped for alkene only. And next, for example, this is repeatedly asking someone, triple bond. So both in the presence of palladium with barium sulfate. So here quinoline. So in the presence of sodium or liquid ammonia, lithium in liquid ammonia, which type of products are formed? So in the presence of sodium in liquid ammonia, so this indicates Birch reagent. Birch reagent means transalkene or cisalkene formation possible. Obviously transformation. So trans simple alkene. This is pH. So this is the product formation. This is transformed because of in the presence of Birch. So in the presence of Linder's catalyst, Linder's catalyst, formation of cis alkene, pH and HH. So it is very important. Anyone? For two types of alkenes, the reagent having two alkynes. So in the presence of palladium with barium sulfate in quinoline, product formation obviously cis formation. So here simple alkene. Again this is simple. This is cis form or not? This is also cis. Again this also cis. This is also cis or not? These two groups are present on the same side. Here also cis. This is the product formation. And next, sodium in liquid ammonia transformation. This is trans. Again, this alkane can be converted into trans. This is trans. Okay. So this is the product formation in the presence of here Lindler's, here Birch reagent. So number of examples you can solve by number of examples based upon the reagent. In the presence of Birch means transformation. In the presence of Linder's catalyst cis formation. Okay. So this is the simple explanation of from alkynes to alkenes by using of Linder's catalyst and Birch reagents. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.